It's common to believe peace will arrive someday, after the problems settle, after life smooths out, after everything finally falls into place, but waiting for that moment can keep peace just out of reach. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers a grounded shift in perspective about where peace actually lives. Peace isn't the absence of problems, it's acceptance of what is. This quote reminds us that peace is not dependent on perfect conditions. Problems are part of being alive. Challenges come and go. If peace required their absence, it would remain rare and temporary. Acceptance changes that equation. Acceptance doesn't mean liking difficulty or giving up on improvement. It means meeting reality without resistance. When you stop arguing with what's present, mental strain eases, the body relaxes, perspective widens. Peace emerges not because circumstances disappeared, but because struggle against them did. This understanding brings steadiness. You begin to see peace as a relationship with the moment rather than a destination. Problems may remain, but they no longer define your internal state. Acceptance creates space to respond wisely instead of react emotionally. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice one situation you wish were different. Instead of mentally pushing against it, name it clearly as it is. See what shifts when resistance softens. Carry that awareness with you as the day unfolds. You don't need a problem-free life to experience calm. Often, peace is found the moment acceptance begins. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Acceptance creates steadiness, and peace grows from honest presence. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.